How to Invest in Share Market in India for Beginners PDF. Stockbroker is an important person helping you deal in trading of stocks. He should be able to give you proper advice and comply with regulations governing the intermediary. The next important criterion is the quality and impartiality of advice given by the broker and his method of delivering them. Investors who actively deal in online stock trading require several technical calls during the day. The investor should beforehand check the resources used by a stockbroker for their research purpose. Some brokers would employ a full-fledged research analyst to analyze companies and give advice, while others tend to merely pass on what is called market information. Advice backed by a written communication explaining the logic behind the recommendation should be sought. Nearly 95% of advice given pertains to buying-selling recommendations are rare. Therefore, the decision to sell should always be yours. The broker does not always know whether you have acted on his advice, hence he does not keep track of your portfolio. If it's a value-added service from a stockbroker with all disclaimers, it will consist of a list of investment opportunities. It is for you to understand your own profile and find the ones that suit your investment objective. Understand that the risk is yours, and also know that having taken advice based on research, it is solely your decision to exit with profit or loss. Trading on the basis of tips can be risky. Those who want to manipulate prices float tips. When this leads to an increase in share price, investors believe that tips are reliable and then are continuously led by them. Some brokers who run a proprietary desk may also give tips on shares. It is necessary to check his declaration in this regard. Each time he gives a recommendation, he is expected to declare his interest. Besides good advice, the primary role of an online trading broker is to provide a reliable online stock trading platform. Connectivity to stock exchanges, depositories, links between the broker's head office and your location, links to and from the bandwidth service provider, network, hardware, computer, software, etc. are all interlinked for the speedy and smooth execution of service. The complexity and number of components makes this a high-risk element in the entire trading process. It is therefore necessary to understand the technological risk associated with trading and the broker's preparedness in this. A poor network response or stoppage can lead to heavy losses.